Bandicam is a highly efficient screen recording software known for its ability to capture high-quality video and gameplay with minimal system impact. It supports a wide range of video resolutions and frame rates, making it suitable for recording everything from tutorials to high-speed gaming sessions. Bandicam's interface is straightforward, allowing users to start recording with just a few clicks. One of its key features is the ability to record specific areas of the screen or the entire screen, providing flexibility for different recording needs. The software also excels in recording gameplay, as it can capture up to 4K Ultra HD video at 144 frames per second. Bandicam supports hardware acceleration, which enhances performance and reduces the load on the system. Users can also record system audio and microphone input simultaneously, making it ideal for creating video content with commentary. The software includes a range of settings for customizing video quality, compression, and file size. Bandicam's built-in editing tools allow users to trim and merge recordings, ensuring polished final products. Overall, Bandicam is a powerful and reliable screen recorder that delivers excellent performance for both general screen recording and gaming.
In that